We have got some brand new items as well as a lot of restock from Simon Hurley. Hello, everyone. It's Maddie with SpectrumArtCreations.com or SACs Crafts.com for short. So, super excited to share with you that we now have all of the favorites back in stock. So, this is just a small sampling. Obviously, all of the colors are not here. This is just what I could fit on the table. But just wanted to let you know that all of the lunar neon pastes are now back in stock. Every last color, which of course are not all represented here, but just know that all the ones that we were out of that perhaps you were waiting for are now back in stock, as well as the Astro Paste. Yes, all of the colors are in. Here's a small sampling of some of the ones that were out of stock that are now back. The same thing with solar sprays. Solar sprays are all back in stock, every last color, and the same thing with the solar paste. So if you were waiting, or if you were wanting, or if you wanted the whole collection, or perhaps you were out of just a couple of colors, they are now all in stock. Super excited. Of course, each of these are absolutely amazing in their own way, whether it's the delicious neon bright colors, whether it's the amazing sparkly astro paste. Of course, the solar sprays are fantastic for adding that little bit of pizzazz to all of your projects and shimmer, as well as the solar paste. So all those are back in. In addition to that, the super famous brushes are back in both sizes, the small and the medium, all in stock as well. So make sure you grab yours in order to have them for all of your color families, because that's what I usually recommend. It's kind of hard to have one for every single ink pad that you have, but you can definitely do color families. And of course, we all know how he designed them and the ergonomic tool that it is and how it applies even pressure across the surface. So if you are not familiar with the ink blending brushes, definitely let me know in the comments. If you have questions on anything that you see on the table, do let me know in the comments, because I love to hear your comments, not to mention that we're going to be doing a little giveaway. So make sure that you guys go ahead and comment down below, maybe letting us know if you have a question or if you have a favorite, or if you were waiting for something that you now see on the table as well. Now, some other new products that have arrived are the beautiful stencil sets for the Christmas release. So this one right here is absolutely gorgeous. It is a 6x6. It is called Dazzling Snowflakes, and it most certainly is. It's got tons of different snowflakes on it, so you could use it as a whole, or of course you can use individual um, items from that stencil. A couple of stamps. Let me do these three together, and then we'll come back to this one, okay? These three, absolutely love. This one is one of the background stamps. This one's called watercolor, and you can do some absolute magic using this stamp right here, because you're able to, and I'll see if I can insert some photos on here so that you guys get an idea. But the idea is it's a watercolor background. So you can not only do your sprays, your inks, pick them up, that kind of thing. You can also use your scribble sticks or your distress crayons, then apply some water, spit some water, press it down, and it's going to look like a beautiful watercolor background. This one I'm going to come back to as well. Let me show you this one first. This one I fell in love with because I love anything that is like a typewriter type of a font. And this one is really neat. It actually has this entire bit of text all typewritten, which again, you could use as a full image, or you can just use certain parts of it. You know how we love to ink stuff and just kind of press down on certain areas to create that texty kind of scratched off background. Now, this one is one of the new ones. This one is called Tangle Lights. There is a stencil that has not arrived that should have been here with this, but I guess it's on in a separate box probably. So there's still more to come, by the way, which is probably on the way, if not already possibly here. And I haven't seen it because we have quite a lot of boxes that have arrived that I'm working my way through. But this one I got to use in a class that I did in person with Simon. Absolutely love it. I'll have to do that one with you guys together. So if you get a chance, definitely grab this. And then the stencil is also coming, which the stencil is the coordinating stencil for this. I wonder if I have mine from class. I might. Let me put this down. Let me go look and I'll grab it. I certainly do. I found it. So we're going to be making some great classes together. So stay tuned for those. But I wanted to show you the stencil. We use this one as well in class. So this one's a gorgeous one to pick up as well. I'm going to show you mine, which is a little less than perfect, but you'll get the idea that it is a 6x6 three-piece layering stencil, which coordinates with the stamp. You can use both individually. You do not have to have both, but when you use both together, it certainly makes magic. And here are two different ways to look at that stencil with and without the stamp. So you can see it's more of a watercolor type of a finish without, it's more of a clean, crisp finish with the stamp paired together. Okay, so these two are certainly going to be fabulous to use in class. We actually only use this one, and I'll show you that sample of what we're going to be making together so you can see. And I want to show you this one also because see this vellum piece right here? That was really neat. I'm going to come to that here in a second. Here is this one here being used. I'll show you this technique as well. So we've got some beautiful cards to make together and some tips and tricks as well that I'm going to be showing you. Okay, so that's this stamp set. Absolutely beautiful. Pick it up. You're going to love it. Even if like you don't have the stencil and you just stamp this and then just watercolor or use your Copic markers for it, it would be fantastic. This one I am in love with. This one is the Ethereal Trees. It's a four-piece set. It includes your stamps and then it includes your stencils as well. In here, you're going to be able to create all kinds of beautiful trees. Now, why do I love it? Because you could do spring, you can do fall, you can do winter, you can do all the seasons, you can do an entire boulevard or street full of trees if you'd like. But also, you'll be able to change up the colors as you need. So love this set. Super excited for that. This one right here is a restock. This one. And this is the clear foam tape. If you have not scored some clear foam tape, you definitely need to add some to your arsenal, and we have it in stock. This is really neat because it's like dimensional foam, but it's clear. And so what it allows you to do, it allows you to use it on things like vellum. See this? And be completely transparent. So we're going to make this one together and I'll show you. So if you want to use vellum or if you want to use acetate or if you want to use something where you do not need to see that foam tape, or maybe it's a very small piece you're trying to pop up and you're thinking, oh gosh, you know, it's going to show somewhere. Well, the clear tape just kind of disappears into your background, which is lovely. So make sure you grab yourself one of those. Okay, so that is just some of the items that have arrived in the store. Wanted to share those with you. So make sure you go ahead, run to the store, check out the Simon Hurley selection, and we can't wait to fill your orders and send them your way. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to leave a comment down below so that you can be entered into the giveaway. I'll have all the giveaway details also in the description box as well as in the comments. I'll pin it as a comment up at the top. Make sure you go ahead and check out the links in the description box as well because I also have a discount coupon for you. So make sure you grab that and save some money while you're ordering your amazing goodies. I'm going to leave another video here at the end for you, or a couple, so that you can go ahead and click on one of those and continue to be inspired, craft along, and so much more. I'll see you there. Bye.